In this video, you will learn how to use the reverse Hsl secondary for color grading your videos in Premiere Pro. Coming up.
Let's go, going to get ready, so let's go, we need to go, let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Hrsl, welcome to hslsecondary.com. In this video, I will show you a simple technique using which you can color grade your videos and get any kind of a look in Premiere Pro. So basically we use the Hsl secondary panel to protect the skin tone, and using that way we create a selection of the skin, and then we reverse that selection of the skin, and that way we can easily color grade the rest part of the image. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the Lumetri Colors. If it is not shown over here, go to Windows and select the Lumetri Colors panel, and you must have the Premiere Pro version, I think 2019 or above, because in that only we have the Hsl secondary option, right? So when you will go down and click on the Hsl secondary panel, that panel would be opened right over here, and here are the some selection tools. One is this color picker tool, so we can make a quick selection using this one, and then we can add to selection because this is a plus one and this is the subtract one, so we can subtract our selection, and then we can adjust these colors with Hsl, and then we have the option to see this in black and white, or color or gray, or color or black, or white or black, right? And we have the option of denoising and blurring our selection, and then we have the color wheels, and then we have all these controls like temperature, tint, contrast, sharpen and saturation. All right, so let's first make a selection of the skin. So I will click on this first color picker tool and make a selection of the skin, so something like this, and at this moment you won't see anything because we have to check this option, and that would show you the color and the gray. So you can see this is the selection it has made out of the skin, and you can choose to select the color or black, so that way you will see wherever this color is shown, that means it is selected, and black is not selected. And you can choose to select the white and black, that way only the white part is the selection and the black part is not the selection. And then now we can define this, so I prefer this option, or you can go for the first one as well, alright, but I prefer the black and white, alright. And then we will select the second one, that's for the add to selection, and then we'll try to add more of the selection while pressing the button on the mouse, and let's say add this part of as well. Alright, so make sure the eyes are black, otherwise they will also get affected. And there is little bit on the nose, so I'll just select the nose and this part as well, alright, something like this, and this is a good selection. And now we are going to blur the hard edges of the selection and we'll denoise it. So now we'll go back over here on the denoise, and if we drag this denoise up, you will see, notice right over here, let's make it larger so that you can see it. So if I increase the denoise, you can see these hard edges become blurry little bit, and these small dots would start to disappear, and that way we will have the more refined selection. And then we have the blur option, so if we increase it, you can see it's going to blur out the hard edges, so that way there would be a good transition between one color to the different color, right? So we can just blur it out something like this, because we don't want that much of blurriness. Something like this is just fine. And thereafter we have this little dot option, this little square, that means it's going to reverse the selection. So if we just press this one, it's going to reverse the selection. So now our skin is black, that means skin is not selected and rest of the area is selected. So now we can easily color grade the rest of the area. So we'll uncheck this, okay, So that way that would reveal the original image. And now we can come down on this color wheel, and there is a little plus icon, so we need to click and drag it. So anywhere we'll drag it, that's going to add that color to the image or to our selection. So now you can see this is before, and if we just drag it towards the green side, we get this green look. So you can see, and we can even make it darker or brighter. So with this slider, if we drag it down, that's going to make the color darker, and if we drag it up, that's going to make the selection brighter, right? So I'll just go for something like this, little bit darker, and you can even drag, let's make it like teal and orange look. You can easily get that cinematic look. And let's add this color, you can add this color, you can even click on the colors to see how different color look. Alright, so you can choose to go for any color which you like. So for this purpose, I'll just go for this one, this teal color over here, and then we can adjust the temperature, tint, etc. So if you want to adjust the temperature, just drag it to the left side to add more of the blue. So if you just play this clip, this is how it looks, and if you drag it to the right side, that's going to add the warmness to our picture. So I'll just go for the cool or cooler look in this case, and then we have the tint option, so we can add the purple tint or the green tint, something like this. And if you just play it, you can see this is how it looks. And if I just show you before and after, so this was the before and this is the after, before and after. So this is how you can use the Hsl secondary or the reverse Hsl secondary method to color grade your videos and get any kind of a look you want. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials, and consider sharing this video with others. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.